I just had a record month for my bookkeeping business. So I figured I would make a quick video and update everybody where I am today in April 2024, how I got here, what I'm doing, and I'm going to give you guys a couple tips on starting your own bookkeeping business. First of all, let me break down the numbers. Let me share with you all of the new clients that I got in this month alone, April 2024, and we're only 17 days into the month. So we still have 2 weeks left, but it's already been a record month. I've already onboarded more clients this month than I've ever done any month in the history of my business. First of all, I got a general contractor, $300 per month. Got a construction company, $2,500 per month. Are you kidding me? That's obviously huge. I only have one other client paying even close to that much money. Medical sales company, $300 per month. Hair salon, $250 per month. Interesting side note, this is the first hair salon or barbershop I've ever worked with. Interesting side note. Roofing company, $250 per month. Home remodeling company, $260 per month. And then a recruiting agency, $200 per month. And a very small software company, $200 per month. Now, let me tell you what I did not do to get here. I did not have a college degree in accounting. I had zero work experience in accounting or bookkeeping or business or finances. This is actually the first business that I ever started. I didn't get like some fancy certification. I didn't have any credentials. I literally started my bookkeeping business with no experience. And that's exactly what I tell all of you. You all can do the exact same thing that I'm doing right now with no experience. I started my bookkeeping business 4 years ago. The only certification that I got, I became a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and that's free. And it takes like 2 weeks to study and pass the exam. That's the only certification I ever got. I still don't have a college degree in accounting. The only experience I have is I've just been running my bookkeeping business for 4 years. Now I have more than 60 clients who pay me every single month. I'm making close to $30,000 per month in recurring revenue. That's not counting any new clients or any cleanup projects or miscellaneous one-off jobs that I do. So starting a bookkeeping business, if you guys don't already know, like my whole goal here is to teach you how to start your own bookkeeping business. So let me tell you why this is the best business to start. First of all, if you're not passionate about bookkeeping or accounting or business, it's not a good business for you to start. But if you like numbers, if you like math, if you like business, bookkeeping, accounting, finances, any of the above, this is a great business for you to start for 3 reasons. First, you can do everything remotely. I work with QuickBooks Online. I work from the comfort of my own home. I have a home office here. I never meet with clients in person. Everything I do is remote, which means I can work from home and I can service clients all over the country. The second reason why this business is incredible, the service is required and necessary for business owners because they need to file their taxes. In order to file taxes, you need to have a profit and loss. In order to have a profit and loss statement, you need to have bookkeeping. So our services are required for business owners. So there's very little sales that's necessary to get clients because they need us. And third, I already mentioned it, recurring revenue. The idea that I know exactly how much money I'm going to make next month because everybody is on a subscription, that is huge. That is so important for the planning and the growth of my business. Every time I land a client, I know that they're going to pay me for 12 months or 2 years or 5 years. However long your clients stick around on average, that is how many months, that's how much money you just made. So if your clients stick around for on average 2 years, and they're paying you $200 a month, you just landed a $5,000 sale, not just $200 sale. You just landed a $5,000 sale. So keep that in mind when you're onboarding new clients and trying to get new clients. Think about the lifetime of the customer, the lifetime value of the customer based on this monthly recurring subscription model. Okay, now let me break it down for you. I try to keep things simple. 4 steps. If you're thinking about starting a bookkeeping business, or if you're thinking about growing your current bookkeeping business, here's all you have to do. Step number 1, this is the easiest step. Just learn QuickBooks and bookkeeping. But don't spend too much time trying to learn QuickBooks and bookkeeping, because you're not going to learn everything you need to know until you actually get your first client. So spend a couple weeks, become a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor, learn bookkeeping fundamentals. And if anybody wants help with this, check out the link in the description of this video. I have a couple courses. Some things are free, some things are paid. I have a ton of resources that I made specifically for you to help you start your own bookkeeping business. Step number 1, spend a couple weeks, maybe a month at most, learn QuickBooks and bookkeeping. Step number 2, this is the hardest part, marketing and sales. You need to find prospective clients and you need to get them to pay you. That's the hardest part. This is going to take at least 2 months to get your first client. That's why I don't want you to waste too much time on step number 1. You can actually do step 1 simultaneously while you're implementing your marketing strategy and your sales techniques. Step number 3, deliver high quality customer service. This is the most important step. So make sure you pay attention to the distinction between the 3 steps. First step, easiest step. Second step, hardest step. Third step, most important step. It's the most important because you just spent so much time and effort and energy on sales and marketing trying to get the client. Now you don't want to lose them. You want to keep the client. And you also want to do a good job so that they are likely to refer you to their friends and family, thus essentially growing your bookkeeping business exponentially through word of mouth, through your current clients. And all you have to do is do a good job. And then bonus, step number 4, work really, really hard. I don't sugarcoat things. I try to be honest. I try to be genuine and transparent. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's been easy. It's actually been really, really hard, really, really challenging over the past 4 years. But as long as you are consistent and you commit to a long-term goal and work hard, you're going to be able to do it. Let me give you a quick analogy. Imagine that I told you to walk a mile. That's pretty easy. As long as you are physically able, obviously, to walk, then you should be, most people can walk 1 mile. But if I told you to walk a mile every day for the next 6 months, that's incredibly hard. I bet most of you would not do that. I know for me, I probably would not achieve that goal. That's because being consistent and committing to a long-term goal is extremely challenging. But if you just walk 1 mile today, you're probably not going to lose weight or get stronger or improve your fitness. But if you walk a mile every day for 6 months, I guarantee you that you will improve your fitness. Same concept with starting and growing a bookkeeping business. If you implement sales and marketing strategy right now and do it for 6 months, I guarantee you, you will at least be closer to getting bookkeeping clients, if not already have 5 or 10 bookkeeping clients. Now, let me finish this video by giving you some sales and marketing strategies, techniques. I started my business with no experience. I also started my business without spending any money. That's the beauty of a bookkeeping business. You don't have to buy a lot of equipment. You don't have to have an office. You don't have to hire employees. You don't need a bunch of fancy software. You don't need a bunch of inventory. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. And I did all of my marketing on my own. I never paid for ads. I never hired anybody to do it for me. And here is my 4-step process for marketing. Create social media content every single day. This is where you have to be consistent and commit to a long-term goal. Every single day, create some type of social media content. The whole point of this, think about a billboard or a TV commercial. You were just telling the world, hey, look at me. My name's Zach Pasquarello. I started a bookkeeping business. Let me know if you ever need help with bookkeeping. Obviously, that's a very simplified version of your marketing content, but something along those lines. Keep it interesting, keep it engaging, keep it professional, mix it up. It could be a picture or a text or a video, flyer, infographic, doesn't matter. Create content every single day. Step number 2, find your prospective clients. I recommend go to Facebook groups. Pick Facebook groups that are local to your geographical region and probably somewhat related to business. There are a ton of local business networking Facebook groups that you can join. And then step number 3, connect with your prospective client. So once you find them in these Facebook groups, I challenge you, send 50 friend requests every single day. These are people in these Facebook groups who are business owners and who hopefully have something in common with you, whether they live in your hometown or they have mutual friends with you, something in common with you so that they're more likely to accept your friend request. And then now that you're acquiring all these new Facebook friends or LinkedIn connections or Instagram followers, now you need to engage with your community. This is often the most overlooked step. So many people skip this step because they don't think it's important, but this is how you're going to build relationships. These prospective clients are so much more likely to hire you if they trust you, if they know you, if you've been able to build a relationship with your prospective clients. And it's as simple as engaging with their posts. If they make a post, comment on it and say, hey, good job. Hey, looks like you're crushing it. Hey, love to see your success. Something polite, positive, and professional. Keep it simple. I like to make measurable goals. So like I said, content every day, 50 friend requests every single day, and 10 posts. Engage with 10 posts every single day. And then step number 5, so 4 steps of marketing, 1 step of sales. Step number 5. All you have to do is send a message to your newly acquired Facebook friends. I generally recommend wait 30 days after they become your Facebook friend and then send them a message. Let them know, hey, my name is Zach. I'm growing my bookkeeping business. Do you know anybody who might need help with their bookkeeping? I'd love an opportunity to help them. Or maybe you could say something like, hey, I'm a bookkeeper. Let me know if you ever need help with your QuickBooks. It doesn't have to be something crazy. Just send them a message. Let them know that you're a bookkeeper and you're offering your services. If you follow my 4 steps to start a bookkeeping business, and if you follow my 5-step marketing and sales strategy, I guarantee you in 6 months, you will be able to start and grow your bookkeeping business. Check out all the links in the description of the video. Subscribe to my channel, like my channel, comment on this video, and I'll do my best to respond to everybody's comment. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.